If you're looking for a nice tow rig, here it is. Check this one out. 1995 Ford F-250 XLT two-wheel drive club cab. 7.5 liter V8 gas power underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Odometer reads 69,437 at the moment. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome on the front grille, chrome on the bumper. Bug shield's already been installed. White exterior, gray cloth interior, split bench seat. Check out the still pictures. Look at the underside, interior, engine bay, how clean this thing is. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Give you a good look at the Firestone radials on this. You can see the tread depth left, and those are date coded 2023, so there's all kinds of tire life left in this thing. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This truck is extremely clean. I've not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You look around those wheel wells, down in the lower rockers, bottom of the doors, the cab corners. Very nice shape. Step boards or running boards already installed on it. And again, look up and down this passenger side and just the lack of really any major nicks, dings, scratches. Paint's in nice shape. Give you a peek at the interior. 40-20-40 split bench seat, fold down armrest. We're going to get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let you hear it run. Even the condition of the box, you can tell this truck has not been worked hard. Did have a fifth wheel plate in it that was installed once upon a time, and that's what it appears it was for. It was just maybe used in the summer to pull a camper a little bit, because it does not appear this thing has been driven in inclement weather, no doubt about that. Coming around to the rear, take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Some nice flaps added too, so you're not kicking up stones on what you are towing. A few notes from the technician on this one said the underside of the engine is dry. Brakes straight. Brakes are 95% in the front, 75% in the rear. There's also a little history of some service that was done to this more recently, and fluids were changed. AMSOIL brand was used in the engine, tranny, rear end. Also has had a tune-up, air filter and fuel filter recently replaced. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Dual tank setup, as you can see. If you like Ford trucks, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Get a good look at that. There's no major nicks, dings, scratches over here either. I mean, yeah, it's a 95. You might find an imperfection here or there, but they are few and far in between on this one. Looks like we have a sliding rear glass. Now let's take a look at this interior. Remember, odometer reads 69,437. Really no wear on that armrest. Up in the door panel, there's your power windows. Power locks, power seat over here on the driver's side. Really hardly any wear on the seating surface either. Of course, cruise control, tilt column. There's your switch for your front and rear tank. We will fire this up so you can hear it run. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood. There's the exact miles, 69,437. Stereo, AM, FM cassette is working. Top of the dash, appears this thing was stored indoors too. Very nice shape on the top of the dash. It's not sun-baked, discolored, cracked, anything like that. Look at the armrest on the passenger side. Headliner, good shape, and of course you'd have the bench seat in the back. And that is foldable. wanted to use it for storage. I guess sounds as you'd expect. Big V8 for pulling the sound. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's go ahead and get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. And stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. I have a feeling it's going to drive out pretty well. Underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy also. And here it is. .5 liter gas powered V8, automatic with overdrive trans. Ready to tow 1995 Ford F-250 XLT two-wheel drive club cab. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those stow pics. And like I said, look at the underside pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1995 Ford F-250. Very nice truck. Now the odometers tell me this has low miles, and so does the feel, the look, everything about this truck tells me it has low miles. Looking good in white, gray interior, simple. Nice kind of square body for Ford before trucks got too big, in my opinion. Nice road feel. Our oil pressure gauge is almost halfway on the gauge. The temperature the same. The battery is charging a little over halfway. And the fuel gauge is about a third of the way up from empty. Those are working well. The speedometer also working. This is an automatic on the column. We do have an overdrive switch, so if you're going to tow, you can shut that off. Radio sounds good in this truck. Little Smashing Pumpkins for the 90s. 1995 Ford F-250. Get some heavy duty stuff done with the 250, a little more than a 150 can handle. Braking is nice and smooth. Cloth seating in this truck. Thanks to that heavier duty suspension, nice and flat in the corners. Power steering working very well. If you missed your chance to get a 1995 F-250, or for that fact, upgrade from a 150, this one's got some low miles on the odometer and looking good. Check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.